I'm gonna be up front.
I just want to point out how good that was because you didn't have a clue what you were walking up. You called him completely blank. You didn't know a damn thing, and then you mid-call are asking and figuring it out.
If the money was right on that vehicle, if you're like, oh, this is a great deal, what would your next step be?
And my next step would be is to.
Thanks for taking my call. I appreciate it.
Okay.
And the reason I was calling you, I know you're coming all the way from Kentucky. I just want to say thank you for considering us. I really appreciate it.
Okay. If y'all worked on your numbers a little more?
The price online, I haven't looked at the deal. I was just calling to say thank you because I thought we were kind of at a deal. And that's actually a certified one, if I'm not mistaken. So it comes with a really aggressive warranty already right now. Did you want more than the certified warranty?
Well, yeah, because you only got a 3-year, what is it? A 3-month, $3,000 warranty on it.
I know you probably know this already, so apologies if I'm being redundant. Whatever warranty we do, it'll get rolled into the payment, all that stuff, and we'll get aggressive on it. If the money was right on that vehicle, if you're like, oh, this is a great deal, what would your next step be?
And my next step would be is to get you the money and go ahead and get in the car and drive down there at our first opportunity. So I want to lay eyes on the car.
If the price is just like done, because I know we're aggressive on it, would you buy it for this price? We normally couldn't take a cent off. I'm dead serious. It's super aggressive. If you'll do the deal, I'll take $500 off right now. I think that's the lowest we can do.
I don't know about that. We'll just go from there.
No, I know. And I know you're just trying to win, and don't take that respectfully. If I charge you an extra $10,000 for the vehicle, it's not going to affect your life any. I know you just want to get the best deal, and I appreciate that. I want the best deal too. I'm telling you, at another $500 off, we shouldn't even have done that. I'm literally doing that just so I can walk up to Nate and go, congratulations, sir. That's the best deal you're going to get anywhere. The extended warranty is going to be around $3,500, and we could put that in the payment. I mean, if you want, you could buy the extended warranty someplace else.
I understand, but I thought we could we could do better on the extended warranty where it's pricing just the electronics and stuff like that, and not the powertrain. Back with me this evening if he wants to, and we'll discuss some more. Right, thank you.
We're not that far away. I'll send you a text, and then we'll look forward to seeing you. Thank you, sir.
I'm gonna be up front.
I just want to point out how good that was because you didn't have a clue what you were walking up. You called him completely blank. You didn't know a damn thing, and then you mid-call are asking and figuring it out, and then still getting him with the same stuff you tell us.
Just the way you worded it.
Did you see what the customer did?
Yeah.
The customer jumped himself
up another $500.
He said, well, we're $1,500 away.
Where did you
offer him $5? He said, well, I no more than $1,000. So he just came up with another $500 right there in 30 seconds.
The guy's just messing. He's just trying to win. He's just messing with us.
That's the way.
No, I'm saying, dude, I'm surprised.
Thank you. I appreciate it, sir. Aggressive confidence. You just gotta be really like confident and just be honest with people. Just tell people the truth. When you just look a guy in the face and here it is.